students. In this video we are going to see some more examples on determinants. Example 1. Compute the determinant of A where A is equals to matrix 1 minus 2 5 0 2 0 4 minus 1 3 1 0 7 0 4 minus 2 0. Okay. We have to compute determinant of matrix A. We are computing determinant of matrix A across the first row of matrix A. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to A11 into determinant of A11 minus A12 into determinant of capital A12 plus A13 into determinant of A13 plus minus A14 into determinant of A14. Okay, where A11 is equals to 1, A12 is equals to minus 2, A13 is equals to 5, A14 is equals to 0. Capital A11 is equals to matrix. Delete first row and first column. So A11 matrix is 0 4 minus 1 1 0 7 4 minus 2 0. Okay. Capital A12 is equals to matrix. Delete first row and second column. So capital A12 is matrix 2 4 minus 1 3 1 3 0 7 0 minus 2 0. Capital A13 is equals to matrix. Delete first row and third column. So matrix 2 0 minus 1 3 1 7 3 1 7 0 4 0. Capital A14 is equals to matrix. Delete first row and fourth column. 2 0 4 3 1 0 0 4 minus. Okay. We have to calculate determinant of these sub matrices. Determinant of A11 is equals to A11 is this matrix. This is equals to 0 into 0 0 into 0 minus 7 into minus 2. Okay. Minus 4 into 0 minus 28 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 0. Okay. This is 0 into something is 0 minus 4 into 28 is 112. This minus become plus. 112 minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, which is equals to 140. Okay. Now calculate determinant of A12, okay, which is equals to 2 into 0 minus 7 into minus 2, okay, minus 4 into 0 minus 1 into minus 6 minus 6 minus 0, okay, which is equals to 2 into minus 7 into minus 2 is plus 28 minus 4 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6, okay, which is equal to this is 2 into 7 is 40. This 28 plus 6 is equal to 34. Similarly, we can calculate determinant of A13 and A14. Determinant of A13 is equal to minus 58 and determinant of A14 is equal to 44. Put all these values in this formula. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to A11 is 1 into determinant of A11 is 140 minus A12 is minus 2 into determinant of A12 is 34 plus 5 into determinant of A13 is minus 68 plus 0 into 44. This is equals to minus 158. Therefore, determinant of A is equals to minus 158. Let us write down notes. First, we can write definition of determinant in terms of cofactors also. Let A is equals to matrix Aij be a matrix of order n by n. Then determinant of A is equals to A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus and so on up to plus A1n C1n, where C1j is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus j into M1j, because here I is equals to 1, and M1j is equals to determinant of A1j. Okay. This is the expression of cofactor expansion across the first row of A. The expression above is a cofactor expansion across the first row of A. Second, similarly, we can write a cofactor expansion across any row of A or any column of A. The cofactor expansion across ith row of A is determinant of A is equals to AI1 into CI1 plus AI2 to CI2, because this is a cofactor expansion across ith row of A, plus and so on up to plus AIN CIN. here number of columns are n, so up to AIN into CIN, okay, where 1 is less than or equal to I is less than or equal to n. Similarly, the cofactor expansion, across jth column of A is determinant of A is equals to A1j to C1j plus A2j into C2j plus and so on up to ANJ into CNJ, where j runs from 1 to n. Okay, this is cofactor expansion across jth column of A. Okay, let us take some examples. Example number 1. Use a cofactor expansion across the third row to compute determinant of A, where A is equals to matrix 1 5 0 2 4 minus 1 0 minus 2 0. Here we have to find determinant of A by using cofactor expansion across the third row of matrix A. So we have determinant of A is equal to, here we have to use cofactor expansion across the third row, therefore A31 C31 plus A32 C32 plus A33 C33, because cofactor expansion across ith row is equals to AI1 into CI1 plus AI2 into CI2 plus and so on up to AIN into CIN. Just put here I is equals to 3, we will get cofactor expansion across third row. Okay. Here A31 is equals to 0, A32 is equals to minus 2 and A33 is equals to 0. Okay. Now we have to compute C31, sorry, here is C32 and C33. C31 is equals to minus 1 raised to I plus Cij is nothing but minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Okay, so C31 is 1 plus 3, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into M31. Okay, C32 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into M32 and C33 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into M33. Okay. M31 is nothing but determinant of A31. M32 is equals to determinant of A32 and M33 is nothing but determinant of A33. We have already seen this. Therefore, M31, okay, determinant of, so for the first column and third row, remaining submatrix is 5 0 4 minus 1. Okay, determinant of this matrix is minus 5. Okay, M32. Delete second column and third row. So we have to find determinant of matrix 1 0 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1 into minus 1 minus 0. So M32 is equals to minus 1. M33 is equals to, delete third row and third column. Therefore we have to find determinant of 1 5 2 4. Okay, 4 minus 10, which is equals to minus 6. Okay, therefore C31 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into M31. M31 is 1 into minus 5, which is equals to minus 5. C32 is equals to minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1 into M32 is minus 1. So C32 is equals to plus 1. C33 is equals to minus 1 raised to 6 is plus 1 and M33 is minus 6. So C33 is equals to minus 6. Okay, put all these values in this formula. Therefore determinant of A is equals to, what is A31 is 0. 0 into C31 is minus 5 plus A32 is minus 2 into C32 is 1 plus 0 into A33 is equals to 0 into C33 is minus 6. Okay, 0 into minus 5 is 0 plus this minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 minus 0. Okay, which is equals to minus 2. Therefore determinant of A is equals to minus 2. Okay, let us take next example. Use a cofactor expansion. Use a cofactor expansion across the first column to compute, across the first column to compute determinant of A, where A is equal to matrix 1 5 0 2 4 minus 1 0 minus 2 0. Okay, solution. In this problem we have to compute determinant of A by using cofactor expansion across first column. Okay, so determinant of A is equals to, see here, cofactor expansion across jth column is A1j C1j plus A2j into C2j plus and so on up to ANJ into CNJ. Here we have to compute cofactor expansion across the first column. So just put j is equals to 1. Therefore formula becomes A11 C11 plus A21 C21 plus A31 C31. Okay, here A11 is 1, A21 is equals to 2 and A31 is equals to 0. Okay, C11 is nothing but is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Okay, C21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21, and C31 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into M3 1. Okay. So M11 is nothing but determinant of A11. Okay. So determinant of A11. Delete first row and first column. So we have to find determinant of 4 minus 1 minus 2 0. Okay. Which is equals to 0 minus, this minus minus become plus, so which is equals to minus. So M11 is equals to minus 2. Okay. M21 is equals to determinant of A21. Okay. Delete second row and first column. So we have to find determinant of 5 0 minus 2 0. Okay. Which is equals to 0. Next is M31, which is equals to determinant of A31. Okay. Delete third row and first column. So determinant of 5 0 4 minus 1, which is equals to minus 5. Okay. Therefore C11 minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1 into M1. M11 is minus 2. So C11 is minus 2. C21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into M21 is 0. So C21 is equals to 0. C31 is equals to minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1 into M31. So C31 is equals to minus 5. Okay. Put all these values in this formula. So determinant of A is equals to A11 is 1 into C11 is minus 2 plus A21 is 2 into C21 is 0 plus A31 is 0 into C31 is minus 5. Okay. This is equals to minus 2. Therefore determinant of A is equals to minus 2. Let us take next example. Compute determinant of A where A is equals to matrix 3 minus 7 8 9 minus 6 0 2 minus 5 7 3 0 0 1 5 0 0 0 2 4 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 0. Okay. Solution. Here we have to compute determinant of A. Students, see here there are more zeros in first column. So we can find determinant of A by using cofactor expansion across the first column. Since there are more zeros, since there are more zeros in the first column, we find determinant of A by using cofactor expansion across the first column. Okay. Therefore determinant of A is equals to A11 C11 plus A21 C21 plus A22 into A31 into C31 plus and plus, here matrix is of order 5 by 5. So A31 into C31 plus A41 into C41 plus A51 C51. Okay, here A11 is equals to 3, A21 is equals to 0, A31 is equals to 0, A41 is equals to 0, and A51 is equals to also 0. Okay, so if we put A21 is equals to 0, A31, A41 and A51 is equals to 0 in this formula, therefore our formula becomes determinant of A is equals to A11 into C11. Okay, what is the value of A11 is 3, which is equals to 3 into C11, where C11 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Okay, so M11 is determinant of A11. Okay, which is equals to determinant of A11 is delete first row and first column. So we have to find determinant of 2 minus 5 7 3 0 1 5 0 0 2 4 minus 1 0 0 minus 2 0. This is a 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, similarly as above, we have to find determinant of the matrix. In first column there are more number of zeros, therefore we find determinant of this A11 matrix by using cofactor expansion across first column. So here we have to find determinant of A11 is equals to 2 into determinant of this matrix 1 5 0 2 4 minus 1 0 minus 2 0. Okay, 2 into 1 into 4 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2 minus 2 minus 5 into 0. Okay, plus 0. Okay, which is equals to 2 into minus 2, which is equals to minus 4. Therefore determinant of A11 is equals to minus 4. Therefore determinant of therefore C11 is equals to, this is minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Okay, therefore determinant of A is equals to A11 into C11. A11 is 3 into minus 4, which is equals to minus 12. Okay, therefore determinant of A is equals to minus 12. Let us write down one note here. From above example, means this example, we can observe that to minimize computation while finding determinant, we can use the cofactor expansion across the row or column containing maximum number of zeros. containing maximum number of zeros. From this example, we observe that to minimize computation while finding determinant, we can use cofactor expansion across the row or column containing maximum number of rows. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.